What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And you know, last week I made a video that's for everyone. It's a everyone can eat when we eat vegan video. But this week, you know, I'm here for the people who like some cheese. I'm making, I don't really want to call it a macaroni, but it does use macaroni noodles. This is a spinach artichoke pasta that is just packed with ooey gooey cheesy goodness. You feel me? I was a little nervous about using artichokes because I haven't used artichokes on my channel since my spinach artichoke jalapeno dip that you can definitely find if you just go back in the archives. But I don't know why I surprised myself, and you know, but I was just like, girl, you did that. So if you want to see what I did, just keep watching. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing we're gonna do is add our 2 tablespoons of butter, let that melt. Add in some minced garlic, just a little bit. I guess if I had to guesstimate, I'd say maybe around like 2 cloves. And then just mix that in with the butter until it starts to brown before we add our spinach. So you know I'm all about using what I have. I had some leftover spinach that I threw in the freezer for my smoothies, and so I went ahead and added that. If I had to guesstimate, I'd say maybe about 1/3 of the bag of some spinach. So once that's kind of wilted down, we're gonna go ahead and add in our artichoke hearts. I've got a cup of quartered artichoke hearts. Now you can cut them up beforehand, or you can just allow them to break apart as you continue to mix. It's whatever you feel. All right, they've been marrying together for a little bit, so now I'm gonna add in my 3 cups of evaporated milk. And it's time to season, so we got a teaspoon of some Himalayan pink salt, we got a couple squirts of some Bragg's liquid aminos, and then we've got 2 teaspoons of some black pepper and some crushed red pepper. You know, spice it up like I like to do. So I'm gonna mix that together before we add in our noodles. So if you're measuring the noodles dry, it's probably 2 cups of dry macaroni noodles that you're gonna boil. But if you're like me and you just boiled some noodles and you weren't really measuring, I added 4 cups of already cooked macaroni noodles. And I didn't show you me boiling the noodles because that's pretty standard. So I'm adding in a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese and then 3/4 cup of some sharp cheddar. Yeah, this is gonna be cheesy. So if you're not about the cheese ministry, you might wanna, you know, keep watching and comment, like, and subscribe, but you know, maybe you just won't make this one. Check out my vegan macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna add in about 1.5 cups of some mozzarella, mix that around, and just until it's got that ooey gooey, cheesy, wonderful consistency. Okay, I'm just gonna transfer it into my quiche pan because I just felt like I hadn't used it in a while. Plus, I think it's gonna make it look really pretty once this shredded mozzarella that I put on top kind of bakes in the oven. You know, I was just, you know, trying to do something a little different. I was over the glass pan ministry. So I'm just adding in the shredded mozzarella on the top so we can put it in our oven that's been preheating at 450 degrees for about 14 minutes. Or until the top is nice and brown like you see here. Let me know what you guys think about this spinach artichoke pasta in the comment section below.